What is going on, guys? Blockcrafters here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to plant trees with NFTs. These are the carbon offset VIRL NFTs on the Wax blockchain, of course. I will leave a link to this website in the description down below, so you can click the Buy Now tab if you're interested. Unlocking the potential of NFTs, Wax blockchain technology empowers collectors to buy and trade carbon offset digital cards on Wax marketplaces, trade them with others, and showcase their inventory on social media. The Wax blockchain ensures your carbon offset digital cards are 100% verifiable as authentic. You can see the card rarities down here, natural all the way up to the alive version. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to click Buy Now. Then you have the option to sign in with your Wax Cloud wallet, of course. You can see the different packs, $20, $50, $150, $200. Then you can see what each pack gives you, as usual. If you are unable to get these on the original website, obviously you can buy them on the Atomic Hub as well. I clicked on this one for example. You can see this is the Series 1, and if you click on the back of the card, each dollar associated with carbon offset VIRL NFTs gives you the power to reduce your carbon footprint. One tree sapling is planted for every dollar you compost, aka redeem, in this unlimited collection. For example, if one of your cards has a value of $5, 5 tree saplings will be planted by the National Forest Foundation. Once composted, your NFT will cease to exist. You can then buy more packs, trade with your friends, and the fun of healing the planet will begin all over again. So we are currently looking at my inventory. This is the seedling $1. I purchased this on the Atomic Hub. The max supply of these is infinite, and for each one burned, I believe you are planting one tree every time you burn one. So you can see there has been 165 of these NFTs burned, and I will show you how to burn that now. If you go back to your inventory, you can scroll down and click on this More tab here, and then that leads you to the Burn button. Burning this NFT will destroy it permanently. I understand this and want to burn this NFT. Yes, I want to plant a tree. Who doesn't? Just like that. It's as easy as that. Like I said before, I'll leave a link to this website in the description down below. Go change the world, guys. Crypto is going to change the world. NFTs are going to change the world. You might as well have an impact on the environment as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. See you next time.